Hi, my Taurans. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Taurans, let me wish you a very, very happy new year. I hope this year brings you a lot of health, wealth, prosperity, peace, bliss, love, and abundance. Okay, so Taurans, like always, we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of January 2021. Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Please note that this is a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So just take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay. Also, please check other placements in your birth chart to get a better and clear understanding. So Taurans, when I was meditating and shuffling for you guys, the word that came to my mind, or rather kept coming to my mind, was clean slate. Clean set, new beginnings, fresh new beginnings. So it's like I could actually imagine someone being handed a clean slate, and the gods or the universe asking you to start afresh. Write your own story, write your new chapter, begin your new chapter, that kind of energy. And it was really nice and sweet energy, and I could feel an energy of someone who is very much at peace, very much relaxed, who is very much content now, and is happy, happy with the current situations or whatever is going on in their life. Okay, I could also feel that someone needs to catch up on their sleep. Okay, someone is, I would not say tired. I did not feel the energy of tiredness or exertion or exhausted energy, but someone definitely needs to catch up on their sleep is what I could feel. I kept on yawning like anything while meditating and shuffling. So to whoever this is applicable, guys, please ensure that you get enough sleep. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. Whoa, wow. I'm not surprised. We'll talk about it. My goodness, now this is being my stalker card for sure, and that too at this position. I'll surely tell you what it is or what I'm talking about. The energy at the bottom of deck is that of Seven of Pentacles. Okay, just give me a minute, guys. Yeah, I just adjusted the brightness. Yeah, and Ace of Swords is the overall energy. Yeah, so let's get quickly started with your reading. The current energy or the present energy is that of Ace of Wands. Wow. Now, didn't I say that I can actually feel, or I can actually strongly sense new beginnings for some of you guys? It could be at workplace, it could be at professional, it could be at personal front. I don't know what, but definitely some new beginnings somewhere. Starting a new project, maybe starting a new job, joining somewhere at a new workplace, or starting a new relationship, whatever it is. This is a brand new start, and something which is making you fired up. It is making you very much excited and happy. This is something which you wanted. Okay, this is something which you really love. Okay, this is something which is very much in sync with your likings, your passion. Okay, very much, I mean, this is really a good energy, guys. And I feel that for you guys, this opportunity has just come out of the blue. It has come to you at a time when you were not expecting. See this lightning, it just came, and it all just happened with the lightning speed. And yeah, it has just ignited that passion and fire in you guys. I am so happy to see that card for you. The energy crossing is what? King of Swords. Yeah, clear communication, guys. Clear communication is what is expected over here. So if you're not doing this, please do that. Please ensure that you communicate your thoughts very clearly, assertively, in a positive manner. Okay, don't step over any ego. Don't go on ego trip, I would say, because I always say that more than what you say, it's it's very much important how you say the things, okay? More than what, how is important. So ensure that you communicate your things properly, assertively, so that the right message is conveyed to the receiving party, okay? But clear communication is what is needed over here. Probably that is what is a little lagging in your in some of your cases, guys, because that card has come as a crossing energy, okay? So the energy in your recent past is that of wish fulfillment. Wow. Now this Nine of Cups to me tells me that Nine of Cups and the present energy is that of Ace of Wands. So I feel that your wish is almost fulfilled, or it has already fulfilled, or it is at the brink of fulfillment, okay? So this could be at a personal front, you know, manifesting a new relationship, okay? Manifesting some specific person in your life, or that dream job, or whatever it is. But you are definitely at the age of, you know, making your wish come true. Very much at the age of making your wish come true. And for some people, I feel that wish has already come true, okay? It has already manifested, and that's what is making you really happy. Now this is the card that I was talking about, Four of Swords in the future position. I am getting this card exactly at the same position for almost, this is the third or fourth reading that for this month that I'm doing, and I'm getting this card. Now this to me is someone not communicating or not talking to someone, okay? You guys might have cut ties with someone. Now this King of Swords and this Four of Swords in your case looks related to me, like something you said has hurt someone probably. So I think that probably that person is not talking to you, not communicating with you, or you are not talking to someone. But definitely there has been some verbal spat is what I'm thinking, what I'm feeling, and you guys are not communicating with each other is what I feel over here. So, and yeah, that is something which is not very pleasant. You are definitely being impacted by it. It's not that it's making you very much happy. So for that, in that case, I'll just tell you guys, like, I would rather suggest or advise is that, yeah, if it just ask yourself that, am I going on any ego trip, okay? Is that my ego talking? Do I really need to mince my words so badly? Am I hurting someone with my words? You know, please ask these questions to yourself, and if the answer is yes to all these questions, you need to think back, okay? Sometimes we end up hurting people in our anger, so please don't do that if that's the case. The energy at the bottom is that of Emperor. Wow. Now this is, I feel now this is you who is getting a little organized in your life, okay? This is definitely your energy is what I feel. You're getting organized, or you know, or now you understand the importance of being organized in life, you know, taking stand wherever required, taking responsibilities, being a little disciplined, okay, inculcating discipline, okay. Now probably this could be you preparing for this new beginning, okay, at your subconscious level. Like you might have, I can feel someone, you know, making or having this self dialogue, like, okay, now this is my new opportunity and I'm going to face it, or I'm going to handle it this way, or I want to approach this new opportunity or this new phase of my life in this manner, okay. So this definitely looks to me like your energy, guys. You are getting organized and self-disciplined. This could also be a father figure in your life, some father figure, fatherly presence in your life who is guiding you in this new path or this new phase of your life, okay. That could also be the case for some of you guys. The energy at the top is, or the crowning is that of Eight of Wands. Now this is like, again there's lightning, okay. Now I see a strong connection between this lightning and this lightning, okay. Like I said, something has happened with the lightning speed, okay. Some speedy communication, lot of messages, lot of communications to and fro over here, and the things just, you know, took place like that. You know, you got that opportunity. You got a call for interview. You were called for interview. You gave the interview and bang, like, you know, all you know next is that you've got that offer later, you know, that kind of energy, that kind of progression I am seeing. Lot of speedy communication without any hassles all of a sudden. It's like it's like you were stuck in the traffic, and then all of a sudden the traffic clears and you get your way, okay. That kind of energy I can experience over here. I also feel that some of you guys might be traveling, okay, traveling to probably another city or even overseas travel. Okay, I know it's a little unlikely, it looks little unlikely in the given situation because of the pandemic, but please note that this reading is applicable for a couple of months down the line also. So there might be some travel, even if you don't know or haven't planned it yet, there could be possible travel for some of you guys, but lot of communication is what I see overall in this energy. Communication either in physical form or through messages. Okay, lot of interactions happening to and fro over here is what I see. Yeah, the energy at the advice place is that of lovers. Please excuse me. Now this to me looks like some partnership, okay, or this could also be someone entering new relationship. Now this communication could also be someone for someone in terms of relationship, okay, some alliance coming in, and you know the things just falling into place one after the other, okay, and just seamlessly, there are no hurdles in this is what I see. But definitely so if this is at a relationship level, if there's an alliance, if there's a proposal, this looks like a soulmate relationship to me, past life relationship to me, okay, and a relationship that is blessed by God or the angels, okay. You two were meant to be together, is what I see in this relationship. And since it's an advice card, I would say the universe is asking you to go ahead with it, okay, you don't have to think. So for some of you guys, if it's a partnership offer, okay, if you are into business and someone is offering you something in partnership, I think it's a good thing, it's a good opportunity to consider for sure. In your external influences, there's this 8 of Pentacles. Now this looks like your energy. You guys are working very hard and are focused on your work, okay, on your I would say not just work, but you are focused on yourself holistically, in your self development, in self development, self care, okay, you are taking care of yourself, your finances, your family, basically what you wanted from life, okay, and that's what you are working towards. You probably, some of you guys have set yourself some targets, some goals, and you guys are working very much in a very focused manner to achieve those goals. And yeah, I can strongly sense some of you are working on their own self, okay. Like I said, self development is what I see over here. It is a very good, guys. One should always keep on doing that. In your hopes and fears, 4 of Cups. I wonder why you guys are sitting in 4 of Cups now. This is like someone is disappointed over something, okay, some event. Now this, yeah, now it makes sense. There is 4 of Swords over here in your future position. Now I feel that this non-communication or lack of communication, that is something which is making you a little sad, okay, and you are sitting there and wondering what might have gone wrong. Okay, just what went wrong between us is what I feel some of you guys are thinking. So guys, don't worry, don't think too much over the spilt milk. Just know that whatever happens for a reason. Try to understand or try to take the lessons from it. Definitely, if you just pacify yourself or calm yourself and try to think rationally, you will understand the reason, you will understand the steps, or you will understand what needs to be done to make this thing right, okay, this wrong right, okay. That kind of energy I'm feeling over here. Yeah, definitely someone is a little sad and upset. The energy or the possible outcome is that of 6 of Swords. Now this is again you, 4 of Cups followed by 6 of Swords. Now you guys are moving ahead in your life, moving on in your life, maybe with a little heavy heart, but you know that this is for your own good, this is what was expected out of you, this is what was needed, okay, to move on, rather than keeping on crying over the spilt milk, or rather than being stuck, or rather than remaining stuck in the energy. You have chosen to move ahead in your life, and this is definitely an emotional phase, okay, followed by rational thinking, okay, and that's how you're paving your way ahead, okay, you're going ahead, and that's so wonderful. One should always keep on moving ahead no matter what, okay. Moving forward or going forward is the only way, instead of looking back. That's a very good thing to do. Seven of Swords. Now this is interesting. Now this is your overall energy, guys. Now I feel that Six of Swords is followed by Seven of Swords. So I feel that you are a little apprehensive about this new change, a little what do we say, we keep on thinking when we are about to start something new, maybe a new job or new relationship also. Even we have that butterflies in our stomach, we keep on thinking, okay, will it turn out to be good, am I doing the right thing, am I taking the right decision, that kind of butterflies I'm talking about. And you definitely are feeling those butterflies in your stomach. You are a little what do I say, anxious. Okay, I know you are excited also, but you are little anxious and you are trying to make way or work through your own fears. That's what I feel over here. You are telling yourself, okay, everything is going to be fine, I'm going to be fine, and this is going to be for my highest good. That kind of energy I feel over here. And of course, Ace of Swords. Needless to say, there are new beginnings. Definitely brand new beginnings which are going to put you or take you to a place of empowerment. It will make you feel confident about yourself. Okay, you will feel empowered, you will feel confident, you will feel in charge of your life again. Okay, that's what I see over here. And I congratulate you guys for whatever these new beginnings are in your life, and I wish you really good luck for these new beginnings. Overall good reading till now, guys. Let's see what we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Okay, wow, did you see that this card just flipped? Okay, it's telling work through your fears. Now this definitely is going hand in hand with this Seven of Swords card. Okay, you don't have to feel fearful, guys. You'll be fine. Just be confident. Okay, just keep on moving forward. You are going to be fine. Just keep on moving courageously, confidently towards your goals, and just know that universe has your back. Okay, you are cut for these new beginnings. Okay, so you don't have to worry about anything. Lovely. Let's see what we have for you guys from this beautiful deck. Okay, two cards just jumped right away. You're being helped. Wow. Heaven is working behind the scenes to help you, even if you don't see the results yet. Wow. Didn't I say it? That you're being backed by the universe or the gods or the supreme power, that whoever you believe in, you just don't have to worry, and you just don't have to be fearful. Okay, keep doing your work, keep putting in the hard work, and you'll definitely get the results. Lovely and assuring card by the gods. Mother healing. As your feelings towards your mother heal, your desires manifest more rapidly and accurately. Wow, another unique and a lovely message, guys. I usually don't get this card. I mean, father healing, mother healing, it's very rarely that I get these cards. So this is again applicable to only a specific group of people. Okay, maybe this Four of Swords that is there, this lack of communication, or this might be related to someone's mother or a mother figure, whatever is applicable. Please note, guys, life is too short to hold grudges. Okay, so please let go of things. Okay, forgive yourself, forgive the person concerned, and just move ahead. Okay, move ahead happily and positively. Okay, so to whoever this is applicable, lovely message, yet very unique and concentrated message by the gods to you guys. Yeah. So my Taurans, I'll leave it at that. I really like the reading. It's full of positivity and new beginnings. I hope you like the reading too. If so, please hit the like button of the video. Okay, drop comments and let me know your thoughts or your experiences about this reading. Okay, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Okay guys, so I'll see you next month. Stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.